In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word as a teleprompter. If you need a simple and cost-effective way to read scripts smoothly while recording or presenting, Microsoft Word can be easily adapted for this purpose without any additional software. Start by opening Microsoft Word and loading the document that contains the script you want to read. Make sure your script is complete and formatted clearly so it will be easy to follow on screen. Once the file is open, the first adjustment is to make the text large enough for comfortable reading. Highlight all the text by pressing Ctrl-A, then go to the Home tab and increase the font size. A size between 28 and 48 points usually works well, depending on how far you will be from your screen. Choose a clear sans serif font, such as Arial or Calibri, to make the text easier to read at a glance. Next, adjust the page layout to make full use of the screen. Go to the Layout tab, click Margins, and select Narrow. This reduces empty space on the page and allows more of your script to fit on the screen at once. If you prefer, switch the orientation to Landscape so the text spans the width of your display, which can help minimize scrolling interruptions. To create a cleaner full-screen view, enable Read Mode by clicking on the View tab and selecting Read Mode. This hides the toolbars and menus, giving you an uncluttered display that resembles a professional teleprompter. You can scroll through your script manually using the arrow keys, page up, page down, or the mouse wheel. For smoother, hands-free scrolling, some versions of Word allow an auto-scroll feature by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Y, or you can use a third-party tool to scroll the active window automatically. If you're using a reflective teleprompter glass, you may want to mirror the text so it reads correctly on the screen. Word does not mirror text natively, but you can copy your script into PowerPoint or an online text mirroring tool and then insert it as an object in Word. Before recording or presenting, practice scrolling at a comfortable pace and adjust the font size, spacing, and zoom until it feels natural. You can also change the text color and background for better contrast, such as using white text on a black background, and use a single-column layout to minimize eye movement. A wireless keyboard or foot pedal can also be very helpful for hands-free scrolling during live sessions. By following these steps, you can effectively use Microsoft Word as a teleprompter for presentations, videos, or live recordings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.